This is Nature Through Art in support of the Canadian Wildlife Federation. We're here to help save the whales, as well as showcasing 10 great artists, including Robert Bateman and myself, of course, and some Tobin Island artists, Susan Gossovitz. Live auction with some great items, and one of them is an actual Robert Bateman that he painted for us for tonight to sell. Well, we're very fortunate to have Dr. Sean Brilliant, who is a marine biologist, talking about how he has been involved with saving the whales, and when the whales get caught into the ropes off of the East Coast, he's often there, the one cutting off the nets. So one thing about Canadian Wildlife Federation is when you donate and give to that, it gives money back into Canada.